For everyone that suffers from sinusitis or any kind of problems with upper respiratory tract, these natural remedies will help you a lot. Today I'm going to recommend you something called anise on Pimpinella anseum. Also known as aniseed, is an aromatic spice with a sweet licorice-like flavor. While it's often associated with culinary delights, anise has long history of medicinal use, particularly for respiratory and sinus health. How anise supports sinus health? Sinus issue, often caused by inflammation, allergies, or infections, can lead to painful pressure, headaches, and congestion. Anise contains natural compounds like anethole that provide several key benefits for the sinuses. Anise helps reduce swelling in the sinus passages, easing discomfort and pressure. It acts as a gentle expectorant, helping to loosen and expel mucus, clearing the nasal passages and making it breathe easier. Anise has mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, which may help combat infection contributing to sinus problem. And you can use anise in many forms. I'm going to recommend you copper that is going to help you a lot with your upper respiratory tract problems. My first recommendation is going to be anise tea. Brew 1 tablespoon of anise seed in a cup of the hot water for the 5 to 10 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily for the help ease congestion. Steam inhalation. Add a few crushed anise seed or a drop of anise essential oil to the bowl of the hot water. Inhale the steam with the towel over your head for the 5 to 10 minutes to soothe the sinus and promote drainage. Anise infused honey. Mix crushed anise seed in the honey and take a tablespoon when they experience sinus discomfort. This is not for only tastes good but also provides natural soothing benefits. Anise is time-tested herbal remedy that can support sinus health through its anti-inflammatory, expectorant and antimicrobial properties. Whether enjoy a tea or inhale through the steam, anise can provide natural relief for the sinus congestion and discomfort. Embrace this aromatic spice as a part of your holistic approach to the sinus wellness. If you like this video, share with your friends and your family. For more information each day below the video, subscribe to my channel. For other health benefits or other natural remedies that can help you with upper respiratory tract, watch video right here. Thank you for following my dear viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.